Wagwan Jamaica! We've reached week 3 of Reggae Month this week, February 15 to 21, and things are heating up. The sound system clashes are coming, and the fusion events are here, and communities across the island are in full celebration mode. I'm your host, Bree, and trust me, this is the week where reggae culture really shows diversity and power. Boom! Picture this. Speakers stacked high, wires everywhere, bass shaking zinc fences. This is sound system culture. Now, back in the 1950s, live bands were too expensive for people living in the inner city communities, so they built their own party. Hand-built sound systems rolled into yards and street corners, and one question ruled the night. DJs hyped the crowd with lyrics so sharp they could cut steel. And the goal? Defeat the next sound not with fists, but with vibes, wit, and pure musical dominance. And its impact, massive. Sound clash culture shaped reggae, birthed dancehall, and laid the foundation for hip-hop and modern DJ battles worldwide. Sunday, February 15th, big things. Reggae Month, a sound system clash at Mass Camp, GFOS hosting. 8 sound systems, count them, 8 sound systems in a one big vibes camp. Selectors locked and loaded with dub plates, battling for supremacy, reading the crowd and controlling the energy. This is reggae's DNA right here, the heartbeat of the culture. And you don't pay a thing because admission is free. Now link up, catch the vibes, and support your sound. Also on the 15th, we've got Ground Nation Week 3 at 2 p.m. Institute of Jamaica Lecture Theatre, diving into working the spirit, religious rituals, music, dance, and magic, exploring how spirituality and culture intertwine in reggae. Then, Jaria Reggae Wednesdays brings back to Bases to Edna Manley College. It's the perfect balance, feeding your mind with knowledge while the music feeds your soul. The vibes close off the week on the 21st at the Orange Hill Farmers Festival at the House of Sensei Retirement. I want to give a special shout out to the unsung heroes, the community organizers, the volunteer sound engineers, and the local artists performing for little or no money just to keep the culture alive. You are the backbone of Reggae Month. And to the diaspora listening online and on radio stations abroad, you're part of this too. We've been getting messages from reggae fans all over the world, participating in their own Reggae Month events. Keep that reggae flag flying high. Now here's a look at upcoming events for Reggae Month. Kingston Rhythms, celebrating the designation of Kingston as a creative city of music by UNESCO on February 22. Also on February 22, Mobay Reggae Night Out. On February 24, we have Tuesday service. Island Music Conference follows on February 25 to 28, and of course, the Reggae Gold Awards on February 27. And that's it for week 3 of Reggae Month this week. It's still in full swing, so get the Reggae Jamaica mobile app for real-time updates and stay connected with what's happening in Reggae Month. Remember to follow JCDC Jamaica and PBCJamaica across all platforms for more updates. Big up to our sponsors, Chase Fund, for powering this celebration of culture. Next week is our final episode and the grand finale of Reggae Month this week. Come catch the rhythm. One love, one heart. Thanks for watching Reggae This Week.